it is day 1 of Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas, you guys. That means it's already freaking December. How the hell did this year go by so fast? Anyways, the year's over. It's Vlogmas. Day 1. Welcome to day 1. And yeah. Pretty much I decided to do Vlogmas this year because, you guys, I don't think I've done any of the vlogging months. I did Veda, and then that was it. I did not do Vlogust. I did not do Vlogtober. Did I do Vlogtober? I don't think I did Vlogtober either. So on the agenda for today, I have to finish editing some videos because I'm trying to be a little bit ahead of the game in this. And then what else do I have to do? Oh, hi baby. And then I have to make some pins. I got a bunch.
Yoga yesterday.
Preston did yoga yesterday, and I have a lot of pins to pump out and create. So I basically am be sitting in front of the computer for most of the day on Canva, taking care of some business in between, obviously doing all of the daily things. So yeah, why don't we skip to the daily things, and then I'm gonna get to work. Oh, he said he has more talking to do.
And Mom helped me try to do what I was trying to do, and my feet didn't go up, so.
Oh, he's trying to say that he was yogaing and I tried to help him do what he tried to do and his feet didn't go up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he was trying to do a headstand. My eyebrows are never the same. Y'all know how I feel about my eyebrows. Like when they're good, it's a good day. When they're messed up, not really sure what kind of day we're gonna have. Like 5 minutes worth of stuff and I wasn't even recording. I don't even want to say it anymore. Like I'm not even in the mood. Like I feel like it was, everything that I said was so genuine and perfect, and now to go back and try to say it again is just like I'd be making it up, and I'd have to like try to like fake my reactions and stuff. So it's not even that serious. So I guess I'll just share that message with you guys for another time. Anyways, you guys, we just finished eating dinner. I don't even know if that part got on there. Good grief. We just finished eating dinner, basically was what I said. It's about 6:45, even though it's probably about 6:50 now. I said that we were gonna go ahead and just finish taking care of like some of the night chores and getting the house cleaned up from dinner, and then the kids have their screen time, and then I said I will be over here on the computer taking care of editing and all kinds of other fun stuff. I'd be feeling like I have so much to do. For no reason, probably. But anyways, we're gonna take care of all of. Oh, Michaela said I do. I do.
You do. I mean, she wasn't even recording that whole time that she said stuff.
Thank you, baby. I do. I have stuff to do. But anyway, Penelope, what are you doing?
And
what's tomorrow?
My birthday.
Ah, your birthday. Tomorrow's his birthday. Anyways, that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope to have a lot of good stuff coming up for you guys. We're going to have a vision board party again this year. We're going to be looking at Christmas decor and all the December favorites. And
my birthday is on December 4.
No.
December 1.
Anyways, so yeah, I gotta go, you guys. That's it. I gotta go finish my night things. I will see you guys tomorrow. So it is like 8. I'm actually working on a holiday gift guide. Right now I'm doing like holiday makeup gifts. So I have a Sephora gift guide right here. They take like a few seconds to do and they're fun. So that one will be up on the blog at some point.